In this video, we will know what IELTS is. IELTS. It stands for the International English Language Testing System. It is a globally recognized English language proficiency examination that is meant for people who are looking to study, work, or migrate to countries which have English as a first or an official language. As it is globally accepted, more than 8,000 institutions across 130 countries recognize this exam. IELTS exam consists of four sections that are listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Listening. In this module, test takers are supposed to listen to recordings of English speakers and write answers to a series of questions asked. This section comprises of 40 minutes. Reading. This module comprises of 60 minutes and there are 40 questions in this section. Writing. This module comprises of 60 minutes. And test takers are asked to write at least 250 words and test takers will be penalized if their answer is too short. Speaking. This module consists of an oral interview between the test takers and an examiner. Speaking tests are recorded and it usually comprises from 11 to 14 minutes. Now, know that the IELTS exam is divided into two categories, general and academic. General IELTS exam is intended for individuals who are looking for immigration or work permit. And academic IELTS is designed for individuals who are looking for higher studies. Now, understand that general and academic tests differ. However, there is not much difference. Both general and academic consist of the same components that are listening, reading, writing, and speaking. But the difference lies in the content in the reading and writing section. Let me explain the differences in terms of reading section. In the general exam, the topic will be familiar. An extract will likely be taken from newspapers, flyers, and magazines. Whereas in the academic exam, the topic will be educational and extract will be likely taken from science, literature, and history journals. Talking about the writing section, it consists of two tasks. In part 1, the difference lies in the format. In general writing, there will be a task to write a letter, and letter could be formal, informal, or semi formal. In academic writing, it consists of a description of various illustrations like chart, diagram, graph, and table. In part 2, the difference lies in the content. In general writing, it is generally about general opinion, and examples would be media and education. In academic writing, it is generally about reasoning, and examples would be economic growth and policies. Now, there is a possibility that you might have some questions. So, let me answer a few frequently asked questions. What are band system in IELTS exam? Consider this band system as the grading system. Higher band score is equal to higher grade. However, IELTS score can range from 0 to 9, where 0 is the lowest band and 9 being the highest. How will be my total score evaluated? Suppose you scored 7 in reading, 7 in writing, 7 in listening, and 7 in speaking. Then your overall band will be 7, as overall band score is the average of all four skills. Read this for detailed information. What is the minimum number of marks needed to pass this exam? Suppose I score 6 bands, will I fail? There are no minimum marks required to pass the IELTS exam, as it is not a pass fail test. It measures English proficiency. So, no, you won't fail at 6 bands. How many times can I take the IELTS exam? There is no limit. You can take the test as many numbers of times that you want. However, you will need to pay the test fee for each attempt. Is IELTS on paper or computer? IELTS can be taken on computer and on paper as well. It is just about personal preference. Will I get my result instantly? No. Results are not instant. If you have taken the computer delivered test, you can view your result online within 2 to 5 days after your test date. If you take the paper based test, you can check your result after 13 days. Also, note that your test center will notify you when your result is out. Do IELTS result expire? Yes, they do. IELTS result is only valid for 2 years from the test date. Does the Canadian government own IELTS? No, the Canadian government doesn't own IELTS. IELTS is jointly owned by British Council, IDP, IELTS Australia, and Cambridge Assessment English. Do I take all parts of the test on the same day? The listening, reading, and writing section of the test are always completed immediately after each other and with no break. Depending on the test center, you may also sit the speaking test on the same day, or it may be scheduled up to 7 days either before or after the test date. However, if you take the computer delivered IELTS, the speaking test will be taken on the same day. That's all for this video. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask it in the comment section below. I am Manal and let's meet in the next one.